For this random project, we repair a historic barn and a few different outbuildings in desperate need of help.
Pretty cold down here. Cold down here.
Very busy.
Man, you got new shoes, new pants. You're so fancy.
Here we're pulling back the stable walls to expose the rotted support posts in preparation for replacement. We installed temporary cribbing to support the joists above.
That's a different story.
Let's talk about hawks. Dale, how do you feel about fox and hawks attacking your family? Like, if there were a fox or a hawk and it was going to get your
It's not
kitty.
cool with me. Them foxes.
Oh, there's our video. I don't know how to boop words out, guys.
It's easy.
You already got all that out? Just now?
That one was like falling out. That thing's so ready.
Brought the camera over when I did. Paul,
Remember we were talking about
what, man?
that? Eating dirt.
Yeah, well, my immunity's up as of 30 seconds ago.
So really, it should come off.
Which part, right here?
Yeah.
I don't think it's coming out.
Check it with the camera.
Uh-huh.
Here you go. Wanna try it?
There were practically no footers or supports for the posts, so we pulled out a little bit of concrete
I don't
that
even have to use a
existed.
sledgehammer on this. Right here.
Let me get my gloves on. Couldn't hurt. Keep on.
We're digging the holes for the new footers and piers that will provide the foundation for the new support posts. Once we dig down below the frost line, we set up 16 new sonotubes. And now it's time for concrete. We opted for bagged concrete mix instead of having ready mix delivered, since we only had to pour 2 footers and piers. We used a mixture of high strength, fiber reinforced, and fast setting, which basically has an additive NCA or non-chloride accelerator to speed up the set time, which is more ideal for cold weather. We tried the pink fiberglass rebar for the first time. To be honest, I don't believe it was all that necessary or even effective vertically positioned in a pier like this, since concrete has excellent compressive strength. But it doesn't hurt, and Dale was really excited about pink rebar, so piers are done and the post base anchors installed. Here we begin to extract the remnants of the rotted old beam. Behind me, you'll notice the roughly 24-foot long oak beam that will be installed. It's salvaged from a nearby barn demo. We continue to open up the floor to expose the remainder of the old and rotted section of the beam. We attempted to mount this Prezi beam saw attachment to our 60-volt DeWalt Circular saw, but we ran into some issues. If I remember correctly, we would have had to modify drill holes into this particular model to make it work. I wasn't comfortable with that since this saw was fairly new, so we opted for Harbour Freight's replica of the Prezi. It worked fairly well. It still wasn't perfect fitment-wise. Overall, the beam saw attachment was great. It cut well and quickly. For future projects where cutting large timber is required, I will purchase the Prezi and mount it on another saw, or purchase a different model of the Prezi and ensure it fits on one of the saws we own. The new support posts were also salvaged lumber and had a few mortises cut into them. We glued in some wood blocks to reinforce them a bit before we installed them.
Get it somewhere. All right, it only took a whole day here. Anything.
No, I can pass it up. Lift your legs.
Dude, there's glue down there. I stitched it.
All right, lay it down and go.
Tonight, but I wasn't going to try to get everything. Get the posts in. Now that the posts have been cut to size, we mark and drill the holes for the pins that will fasten the posts to the post base bracket. It was a bit tricky to keep them lined up and straight.
It's sort of cool how that works. This is the part that I find interesting, like, cause I'm not good at like the measurement thing yet. So like the whole like drilling the holes and them being where they're supposed to be is cool.
I'm not even sure what Dale is doing here. We sometimes catch him doing random things like this. He loves to grind stuff and make sparks. I think he just wanted to try out the new cutoff tool.
What? Wait a second. What's that? Why'd you go in bed before?
Who messaged me at 11 o'clock?
Good
About
thing.
Robbie's always sending late night messages.
Hey, I'm still working. That's why.
And I was like, you better get to bed. We gotta get
You all are
up really
sleeping, and I'm up going like, okay, should we do this for you? Should we not do? Really?
I can't find the battery!
Where's the little white bag, Dale?
Oh.
It's in there.
Oh no, I lost part of my tape measure. Look.
Renah? Oh, that clip you were bragging about?
Yeah, where'd it
In
go?
there. There's a little box.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give you the whole bag.
Can you help me on?
You told me to go look for your clip, and the second I turned
Dale, where's the
away,
clip, man?
And he's like, all right, take
Where are
the
the
battery.
pins? What?
Oh, you put them on the phone. The pins were
One
on
of
the
them
phone.
is.
Well, they probably rolled off.
No, no,
They're-
they were here.
Oh,
I give up. I have one of the pins, but I don't know who the others are.
you just step on.
This thing rolled when I put it back, and then it. Two of them! They were right here. Did you find the clip?
No.
Where did everything go? It just like. Dang it.
You put them in your pocket or something?
Where did that part of my tape measure go? Oh, here's a pin. Alright, now, where am I? Okay, what happened to the other pin? Damn!
I didn't let you look too long.
Alright, where's the that part of my?
I don't think that's important. I haven't touched it.
You know what's
I'll
not
take
important?
yours, you take mine. What? Two extremely muscular dudes putting a beam on a post?
We didn't show it, but we cut a slot down the center of the post to allow them to slip over the bracket.
Smart way to do it. Alright.
Ready? Oh shit.
Renee, why didn't you just drop it in from up there?
If
The
we...
walls are in the way.
Oh wait, are you sure they're gonna be in the way?
The walls are in the way. You gotta put those things down.
These?
Yeah. Bottom one too.
Alright, let's do this. Let's lift it off and stick it in front. I'm trying to get it out of that. Ow! Alright, let's held one pretty good.
Got it? Oh shit. There it is.
Yeah, it's not real heavy, it's just.
Well, what if I go up top?
Well, here, let's do this, because we got this here, see these?
Yeah.
For us to slide back. Let's mark and cut those back. Alright, go towards you a little.
Towards me?
Yeah. I'm sorry. Go that way. The other view. Back towards you. Keep going. Keep going. Beam me the beam. What you did, it might fall. Yeah, buddy! Explode.
We attempted to install the pins through the post and bracket. Unfortunately, they didn't align perfectly with the bracket holes, but we eventually got them in with some finagling.
Let's see if this one. That one is good. The bottom one I don't. Could be debris in there.
You never heard dust in the wind?
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
I didn't know that's what you were doing.
You couldn't tell? That's what I was singing. It was such a good rendition of it. Dust in the wind.
What's on here? 12 and 8.
You gotta get smaller somewhere. Probably a mark on my
Someone got in the way.
Back up?
Wrapped up. I think it is
Wrapped up
wrapped.
like a...
But
The
yeah,
ruler in the... Is it ruler in the night? Ruler of the
Runner.
night. What?
Runner.
Runner?
I don't know.
Rover?
I don't know. I'm
It
looking
could be
at
the ruler like you rule the game if it's deuce.
Yeah, so it's deuce, okay. Revved up. Another runner in the night. Yeah, it's runner.
The runner, what are the actual words?
It's blinded by the light,
Uh-huh.
revved up like a deuce. Another runner in the night.
I don't understand any of those words right
In the
either.
dumps with the mumps and hats with the boulder on my shoulder. Wait. Boulder on my shoulder. Feeling I didn't know it was revved up.
Sean, hi!
How you doing?
Here we're using the laser level to prepare and mark all the joists to be cut to size to make way for the new beam.
Yeah, we could have just like went through all of it.
Could have. That's what I was saying. That's the little.
Right under these jeans right here.
There goes half the beam. You let Dale have it.
And it's time to drop the beam into place. Now that the beam is in, it's time to install the new floor planks, which are pressure treated dimensional 2x lumber.
Yeah, if I have to go around and get footage of all the finished work.
Alright, one on the other side.
Okay, you can get it.
Great for my arm.
Good as new. On to the next random project.